Tasin here, back with another video. So today I'm going to be showing you that how to add branding watermark to your video. If you don't know that which one is branding watermark, I'm going to be showing you. Even it's really easy to add a branding watermark. This is the branding watermark. If you click on this, then it will take you to the channel, to the person's channel. Well, like I clicked on mine, so it's a YouTube channel. Okay, so if you want to do it, then go to Creator Studio. If you're in YouTube Studio, then click on Creator Studio Classic. Okay, and then go to Channel and Branding. So, I've already added it, and I'm going to yeah. Click on Add the watermark. Then choose a PNG file. Like this. There you go. That's how you get that. If you wanna like what set the branding watermark to video, you choose three of those. One of you would like to choose and which one. I will choose the enter video one. Enter video watermark. Yeah. So then click on update. If you're done with display time. Yeah. Hello guys, Tasin here back with another video. Now we're gonna be playing Roblox Memory Simulator with showing the branding watermarks of this channel. Friend, fast, gamer. Yeah. And if you like this, that's it for the video. Thanks for watching. Also, please make sure to subscribe and leave a like on the video. Bye.